For those of you that grew up with a garbage disposal, you'll know they're quite possibly the most terrifying appliance in the whole kitchen. So today's product is all about making the humble garbage disposal a little safer. We're installing and reviewing the ROMECH Garbage Disposal Air Switch Kit. Intended as an upgrade to the existing switch on your old garbage disposal system, this air switch kit from ROMECH uses a stainless steel button and a 60-inch air tube to turn your sink food mulcher on and off. If you're confused how it's done, it'll make a lot more sense on the install. While it may not be necessary, we do recommend turning off the breaker power to your disposal before getting started, just in case. You'll then want to disconnect the old switch and any power connections to your existing garbage disposal system. Find a good spot under your counter that has access to power, making sure it's less than around 60 inches away from the drain. Using the supplied screws, we mounted our switch in the best possible position. Now, if your countertop doesn't already have a hole, you'll need to cut one yourself. No more than 1.5 inches in diameter, or the button won't sit flush. Feed the air tube first through the mounting nut, the countertop hole, and then connect it to the base of the stainless steel button. Drop the button into the hole and then secure by screwing the mounting nut from underneath the countertop. Make sure the air hose is connected securely to the switch and plugged into the nearby power outlet. Okay, so how do we use this thing? Pressing this button sends a small jet of air down this tube into the switch, which then allows power to flow through the garbage disposal. Wow, I love technology. Another press turns the garbage disposal off. Now we get it, it may just sound like a gimmicky way to turn your garbage disposal on and off, but there's good reason for this. When most people use the sink, they end up with wet hands. And an electrified switch within arm's reach is a disaster waiting to happen. This is a way to remove power from the switch altogether, making it shock-proof and safe for wet hands. Sleek, easy to install, and a great way to upgrade the safety of your garbage disposal. The ROMECH Air Switch Kit is a great value for the money. The only thing I can find fault with is that I didn't find it sooner. We give it a stellar 10 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $34.99, or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. And the rules? Well, they couldn't be any simpler. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hashtag we hid somewhere in today's review. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. And if you want more exclusive Review to You content and perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only giveaways, then become a member of our Winner Circle. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and that link up on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, and we've got a merchandise store now. You can check that out down below on the right. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys next time.